What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. As you can see from the beginning, it's mail time. So we got another mod for one of the vehicles. Let's go ahead and open up and see what we got. It's my rings, for my intake rings for the SRT. So let's see what it look like. Came with a sticker. And this was the rings I went with. But you know, this is pretty easy install. So we'll go ahead and put this in the Challenger. All right, so we out here in the garage now. Already got the hood open. Derek, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my spot. I'm gonna put the sticker too. So it can stick. Our first one. All right, so I got one in. It's in there tight as shit, so I don't think you have to worry about these coming off. Look good though. The color I went with the anodized red. That's what color I went with. Alright, so the in there now. The fit is tight as hell, so I highly doubt they come out, you know. Yeah, I don't think these bitches coming out. But that's the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright.
Axel.